Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open the Webull app and sign in with your account before creating alerts. Confirm you have a standard or margin account active. Alert options are identical for both. Update to the latest app version in the App Store or Google Play and enable notifications in Webull settings. Grant notification permission on iOS or Android so alerts appear on your device. If you use desktop, sign into Webull. Calm and allow browser notifications. Make sure you know the ticker symbol and desired price or percentage trigger before continuing. Tap the ticker, select alerts, then choose price alert to set a dollar trigger like 50.00 for a stock. Use percent alert to trigger when a stock moves by a specific percent, for example 5% up or down. You can also choose volume alert to fire when trading volume exceeds a threshold such as 1,000,000 shares. Set alert expiration, repeat options, and a custom sound for each alert. Confirm the alert, and the app will display the active alert in your Alerts tab immediately. View active alerts in the Alerts tab and edit, or delete them with the pencil icon next to each entry. Use grouping to create up to 50 alerts per ticker, label groups for strategy, and toggle groups on or off. For rapid testing, create a temporary /bin/sh. 1 price alert to confirm notification delivery and sound. For desktop users, synchronize alerts across devices by enabling Cloud Sync in settings. Finally, audit alerts monthly, archive old triggers, and maintain a clean alerts tab to avoid alert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.